Eggs are an incredibly nutritious food. Eggs are also delicious and extremely versatile. They contain relatively few calories, and they're packed with proteins, vitamins, minerals, healthy fats, various trace nutrients. That said, the way you prepare your eggs can affect their nutrient profile. 5 tips to cook super healthy eggs. 1. Choose a low-calorie cooking method. If you're trying to cut back on calories, choose poached or boiled eggs. These cooking methods don't add any extra fat calories, so the meal will be lower in calories than fried or scrambled eggs or an omelet. 2. Combine them with vegetables. Eggs go really well with vegetables. This means that eating eggs is a great opportunity to boost your vegetable intake and add extra fiber and vitamins to your meal. Some simple ideas include adding the vegetables of your choice into an omelet or scrambled eggs. Or simply cook the eggs whichever way you want and have vegetables on the side. 3. Fry them in an oil that's stable at high temperatures. The best oils for cooking at high heat, like when pan frying, are those that remain stable at high temperatures and don't oxidize easily to form harmful free radicals. Examples of good choices include avocado oil and sunflower oil. If using extra virgin olive oil or coconut oil, it's best to cook at temperatures lower than 410 degrees Fahrenheit and 350 degrees Fahrenheit, respectively. 4. Choose the most nutritious eggs you can afford. A number of factors, including the farming method and the chicken's diet, can influence the nutritional quality of eggs. In general, pasture-raised and organic eggs are thought to be nutritionally superior to caged and conventionally produced eggs. 5. Don't overcook them. The longer and hotter you cook your eggs, the more nutrients you may lose. Using higher heat for longer may also increase the amount of oxidized cholesterol they contain, which is particularly true of pan frying. To make your eggs as healthy as possible, choose a low-calorie cooking method, combine them with vegetables, fry them in a heat-stable oil, and don't overcook them. Overall, shorter and lower heat cooking methods cause less cholesterol oxidation and help retain most of the egg's nutrients. For this reason, poached and boiled, either hard or soft, eggs may be the healthiest to eat. These cooking methods also don't add any unnecessary calories. All that being said, eating eggs is generally super healthy, no matter which way you cook them. Thanks for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.